Hello, my name is Kevin Yoshizaki, and today I'm here to talk to you about coral reefs. I believe we can all agree that humanity is capable of all kinds of feats, both good and terrible. One of these terrible feats is our destructive nature. The overuse of fossil fuel, pollution of air, land, and water, and the general carelessness regarding nature all leads to one end, the desolation of the coral reefs. If we continue down this path, our grandchildren may grow up without the opportunity to see a coral reef in real life. So how does it happen? Coral reefs are dying from two main points: rising temperatures and ocean acidification. The rise in water temperature causes coral bleaching, a phenomenon where the corals expel the symbiotic algae within them. By doing this, they lose the main source of energy they need to live, along with the vibrant colors. Ocean acidification is the other cause. The pollution that pours into the ocean and the skies changes the chemical balance of the sea, causing corals to degrade faster than they can rebuild. If we were to lose the coral reefs, it would spell doom for all of the world. They are the literal foundation in which life of this world revolves around. Without them, no more seafood for us. The corals also protect us against the ocean's wrath. Without them, the ocean storms would constantly decimate the coast, and people would be forced to abandon life on the beach. This would also lead to less tourism and an economic fallout for many coastal communities. However, all is not lost. Bleached corals are not quite dead yet. If the temperatures were to lower, pollution levels dropped, and we keep it that way, the coral reefs have a fighting chance. Moreover, there are scientists around the world that are working on modifying corals to become more resilient to heat and acidification, a super coral, if you would. These efforts will help in the long run as long as we don't drastically change the overall structure of nature. In the end, the only definite solution is to decrease pollution, turn around climate change, and give the corals time to recover. This can only be done if we all band together, get on the same page, and work toward this unified goal. So, politicians, work on passing bills to help nature. Scientists, work on new methods to help nature. And for all you regular Joes out there, recycle, pick up trash, do your part, no matter how small it may seem. Every bit helps. Save the corals, save the future.